Someday, I reckon some clever fellow will devise a way to make this job easier. It's hard work, sure, but that's how I like it.
You've probably seen those old pool fence gate assembly videos. Measure, cut, screw, and hope you don't tear the mesh. And you're lucky if you only end up covered in aluminum shavings. Well, those days are over. The future of pool safety starts here with AllSafe. With the AllSafe rectangular post peg-style gate kit, the messy part is already done for you. The hinges and latch mounts come factory installed on the rectangular post. The gate kit is available in 4 and 5 foot and is compatible with other manufacturers' fence. Let's walk through the assembly process. To assemble the gate kit, you'll need a cordless drill, a No. 2 Phillips drive, a bit extender for your drill, scissors or utility knife to open the packaging, and a standard Phillips head screwdriver. At this point, your fence should be installed and the gate truss holes should be drilled at a 3-degree angle. This is referenced in the Installation Quick Guide available on our website. Open up your gate kit box. Inside, you'll find your gate kit wrapped and protected from shipping. Here's a pro tip. Use the shipping box as your workspace. It keeps your parts organized and scratch-free. Remove the plastic wrap and then remove the post caps from the bottom of each truss and then install them on the top. Next, open the latch bag. The peg bushings are plastic wrapped to the tri-latch. Inside the Ziploc bag, you'll find factory instructions, 2 gate keys, an 1¼ inch black screw, and a protective cap. You'll also find 2 tan deck plugs, 2 1-inch black screws, 2 eye screws, 2 quick links, and 4 5/8-inch screws. Lay them out and organize them. Start by attaching the flanges to the bottom of each gate truss with the 5/8-inch screws into the pre-drilled holes. Use the bit extender and a No. 2 Phillips bit. Set your drill on medium torque, snug but not tight. Next, line up the hole in the peg bushing with the hole in the truss and secure it using the 1-inch black screws. You'll need a little more torque for this step. Now set the gate truss into the deck hole and insert the adjoining fence pole into its hole. Repeat this process to the other gate truss. Now remove the top screw from the adjacent fence pole and replace it with the black eye screw. Leave it in the vertical position for now. You'll need to turn the eye screw to the horizontal position to attach the fence to the gate, so don't screw it all the way in. And here's another pro tip. A small screwdriver or your bit extender makes it easier to twist in the eye screw. Rotate the rectangular bracket up and then pull the gate truss and pole together and slide the eye through the center slot. The other 2 slots are for adjustments if you need them later. Attach a quick link to the eye screw and then turn the eye to the horizontal position to lock it in place. And then repeat this on the other truss. Now remove the black screw from the lower latch bracket. Slide the tri-latch onto the mounting bracket so the bottom of the latch lines up with the bracket hole. Use the longer 1¼ inch black screw to secure the latch body and then snap on the protective cap. Next, slide the striker body onto its bracket. If the screw is in the way, remove it first. And then install the striker body using your drill or screwdriver. To open the gate with your right hand, press down on the red knob and then lift. Pull the gate open with your left hand. The gate should close and latch automatically. If it doesn't, adjust the striker body with the Phillips head screwdriver until there's even spacing on both sides. And of course the tell is that it should close and latch unimpeded. To lock the gate, insert the key and turn it to the 3 o'clock position and then remove the key. The knob will lift up, but the gate won't open. To unlock the gate, insert the key again. It'll spring back to 12 o'clock. This is the unlocked position. And remember, periodically checking and adjusting your gate latch will help keep little ones safe and give you peace of mind.